Today I'm going to show you how to make this animation using Canva. Go to Canva and click video, and let's choose video landscape. Go to upload images, and after uploading your image, let's drag it to the design. Let's crop it like this, increase the size. Go to elements, scroll down to shapes. Let's choose the square, and let's change the color to brown and cover all this image. Go to transparency and decrease to 60. Go back to shapes, choose the square and place it in the bottom like this. Go to transparency and decrease to 0 and select all. Select this transparent square with this image and group. Add new page. Go to shapes and choose the circle. Let's increase the size like this. Go to texts and type your text. Let's type the first word and change the font to any font you want. Click in the background and let's change the color to black. Go to effects and curve the text. Place this word in the top of the circle and duplicate and make another word. And rotate it like this. And place it in the bottom of the circle. Click in the circle, make it transparent, and select all and group. Copy and go back to the first page and paste. Let's increase the size like this. And place it like this. Go back to uploads images. We are going to use this transparent image. Let's place it like this. Duplicate this one. Go to the first page. And let's move this image to the top and keep this transparent part. And move this image to the bottom. And if you don't have this transparent part, you can make it by using a transparent square and group it with the image. Add transition, match and move. And here's our first slide. Go to elements and type splash graphics. Go to filters and click animated. And let's use any splash from here. For example, this one. And let's go to layer, show layers, and place it behind this image and decrease the duration to just 1 second. Duplicate this page again and delete this splash element in the third page and go to the third page and click on this text and rotate it like this and click in this image and make it bigger and add transition again, match and move. Duplicate again, click in the last page, let's make it smaller and rotate this text. Add transition, match and move. And duplicate again the last one. Increase the size of the text and drag it to the top and go to layers, show layers, click on this image and make it bigger and move this image to the center and make it small. Add transition, match and move. And now go to elements again and type arrow graphics. Let's choose this one. Change the color to white color. Rotate it like this and make it here. Duplicate, make another one and make it here. And type the text that you want. And after typing your text, let's animate all these elements. Let's start with this arrow, animate with wipe and make the direction to the top and decrease the duration, make it appear here. Click in this text and animate with baseline, make it go to the top as well and decrease the duration, make it appear after the arrow. Make the same for this one, animate with wipe, make the direction to the bottom and decrease the duration and click in the last text, animate with baseline, make it go to the bottom and decrease the duration, make it appear after the arrow. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva. Hey there creators, if you are looking to master Canva animations with easy step-by-step tutorials, you are in the right place. I share quick, fun, and beginner-friendly guides to help you level up your design game. No experience needed. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss a thing. Let's make your designs move.